Hi, this is Replies. Check out our course for FaderPro and Deep Effect.
So in this course, we're going to show you how to build drums using MIDI, keeping in mind sound selection.
Also, how to make your melodies complement each other and work with your bass line, and also show you the full effects of corner response in music production. We're also going to help you do your build-ups, creating tension along the way, and we're also going to show you how to use processing to give your synth some movement. If you're someone who struggles with kind of making a groove that you're fully happy with, this course is definitely for you because it shows like all of the processes that we use in terms of building drums, in terms of all the technical stuff that we use with bass lines and processing bass lines, different rhythms, and also synths as well, putting it all together to make one sort of ultimate groove.
It will definitely help producers when you watch this course because it's all about simplicity and how to simplify things and ideas and how to implement them and bring them to life.
Yeah, knowledge is power. Like, make sure you utilize anyone that's around you, get into whatever communities you can get into where people are learning production and people are on the same journey as you. Surround yourself with those people as much as possible. Just absorb from everybody that you're around.